what I would like to, I propose to you to experiment healing with the dwarfs, the woman dwarfs, which comes into me, which present her to me, and which knows a lot about the healing energies of the minerals, and more especially like diamonds, emeralds, and so on. So now what she told me that she's proposing to you a meditation with the emerald energies, because she knows a lot of that. Okay, so she brings onto each of you who are just hearing, who are present right now, or into the replay, a crossing of emerald earth energies onto you. And she proposed to place onto each of you an emerald cologne. Cologne are also light beings. I will explain to you later on about them. Okay, so the emerald energies is beginning to start. It works. Its healing process. What is it doing? It's first of all, it's cleaning all of our cells from heavy metals somewhere, and also from I would say not so good energies into it. The emerald energy is helping to equilibrate the different elements in our body: earth, fire, waters, and air. It also helps to increase the flow of energies, like the meridians energy in our body.